Una good morning o. Anywhere where they watch from. If na afternoon you dey, good afternoon. If na evening you dey, good evening. I don come again with another question. Make we do this one quickly. It say if t is equal to 2 pi times the square root of L over G, make G the subject of the formula. So for this one, we see a formula where we say the subject of that formula na t 2 pi times the square root of L over G. For this formula now, na t be the subject. So they tell us for the question say make we make G the subject. Make we make t stand alone. Na be all this English wey they speak there. So what we go do? We go start to remove every parameter wey dey close to G one by one to make sure say they no dey with G again. Using the opposite of wetin dem use attached to G. Like 2 pi now use multiplication attached to this place. Wetin we go do to remove am? We go divide both sides by 2 pi. So I will divide both sides by 2 pi here. I will divide now. So I can get t over 2 pi equal to this 2 pi, we cancel this 2 pi. So what will remain for us now? Waiting L over G. That is the square root of L over G. The next one we go try to remove now is to remove this square root sign. So the opposite of the square root sign will be waiting. It will be the opposite of the square root sign will be to square both sides. So if we square both sides now, we'll get t squared over 4 pi squared equal to the square root of L over G all squared. So for here, this square root sign will cancel, this square will cancel the square root sign. So we'll get t squared all over 4 pi squared equal to L over G. So now we will not read this side now. What's what we're going to do? We will multiply both sides. In fact, this one I'll go right and so that you remember them. Multiply both sides by 4g pi squared. Why I want to do like that? So that we will remove g from under here and remove 4 pi squared from under here. That is, we won't clear all the fractions. So they use the LCM of the two fractions to multiply both sides. So if we multiply this place by that, we will get gt squared equal to, if we multiply this side by 4g pi squared, we will get 4gl pi squared. That's what we get. So now we don't get close to our answer. The next thing now is to divide both sides by t squared. Okay, here going to be t now. No, you get mistake with the here. We could remove that place. So if we multiply both sides by 4g pi squared, if I multiply here by 4g pi squared, I will get this 4 pi squared go cancel 4 pi squared. It will remain gt squared for here. So we will get equal to this one now. G go cancel g, so we get 4l pi squared. Good. We don't get that now. So the next thing we will do here now say we're going to divide both sides by t squared. So that t square will cancel t square, we get g equal to 4l pi squared all over t squared. With this, we don't get wetin we dey find. We don't make g the subject of the formula. So if you get any question, maybe put am for the section, for the comment section. Remember to like this video, share am to people wey you feel say go learn from am. We go see you for the next video. Bye bye.